What's that?
We're the best place in the world.
Peak times, we're entering Tulleys. First maze of the day, or night, we're going on Creepy Cottage. Very excited. So, we just came out of Creepy Cottage. Nothing like how it was last year. That was absolutely traumatic. Last year it came out, I was like, oh, that was fine. I'll be good. I'm going to enjoy tonight. Came out of that and I'm like, on my dates.
Who've they got in there?
That was horrible.
Who do they have in there?
That was not cool. We're about to go into Elements. I have never done a hoodoo maze before.
This one's pretty sick. I quite like this.
I am actually shaken after the madness of Creepy Cottage. Alright, so we just did Elements. There was lots of tension. I was really on edge, but it wasn't too scary, and I didn't mind that. It wasn't too bad. First hoodoo maze for me. Yeah, it was alright. It was not much. It was a lot less scary than a cottage, but we're queuing for Coven. So we just come out of Coven. Really, really good. Definitely the least scary of the night, but the most fun. I really enjoyed it. It's Hayride time. Adam, what's your thoughts of the event so far?
I'm absolutely loving it, you know. It's my first time here. I've only really done Thorpe scare mazes and Chesterton scare mazes, but I'm really enjoying it. I've been extremely jumpy. I don't think I'm going to like Chop Shop, but we move.
Me neither. No one here will
excited.
enjoy Chop Shop.
I'm excited, apart from that guy. That doesn't
You
like
might-
Chop Shop.
I'm gonna love Chop Shop. That's my most anticipated maze of the evening because Creek Massacre is my favorite. It's the best. It's the best. It's the best Fright Nights maze of all time, and he knows it.
So what's happening to said maze I won't mention over there? What's going on?
Fire.
Flames. Yo, oh!
Absolutely beautiful.
Find some popcorn on the floor, pick it up and pop it in your mouth like the rest of us.
I can't see it.
Oh, well, you
I
have
can't
to
see it.
closer.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, but this is movie magic. Are you ready, bud? Are you ready? You got this. Yeah, perfectly safe. And action. You got this, buddy. That's it.
Oh! Free my mouth! Oh!
I'm blind. Are they gonna nab my liver again?
Yeah, is your liver safe?
Are they gonna nab my liver again?
Come on, Barry! Your liver to make a nice big balloon with it! Come on! Do you like my hair?
Yeah,
I do.
yeah.
I think it's brilliant.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Really?
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 Really, really. I love the colours.
I look better than you!
That for a
Oh,
second.
nah, I wouldn't have that if I were you.
To be fair,
There's
Stacey
bubbles.
looks better than always not saying much.
Oh, no, I'm not going to stand for that kind of personal attack.
Hello, everybody! How are we doing today?
Oh! Ew! They're new. What the
They're
hell?
new?
They're very new. They were them. Yo!
Brilliant.
I was in the perfect spot for that.
That is the best scare of the evening, easily.
Yo, wicked man.
I think Loki had a glow down, you know.
Oh! Where are they? There's one. Oh, are they shooting us?
We are being shot. God bless America.
Oh, they're getting on.
Basement or attic? Have you or your family ever seen a spook, spectre, or ghost? If the answer is yes, pick up the phone and call the professionals. Ghostbusters, we're ready to believe you.
Is this licensed?
Ready to go! We need fast and we need slow. Don't interfere, the Ghostbusters are here!
Free my man Chainsaw Santa, he ain't done nothing
Yeah,
wrong.
where's Chainsaw Santa gone?
Alright, so we just come out of Hayride, thoughts?
I really enjoyed it. The sets are so good, and like the actor interactions are also really good. Like it's by far like the least scary thing we've done. But there were still some scares that got me, like the falling cage
Metal bit.
door. That was right on my head. That got me like hell. Yeah, I've had a great time so far.
But yeah, we're going through Purgatory, which the maze is all the way down there. We still got this. So long queue. So around 15 to 20 minutes later, we are now in the actual queue line, and there's still a fair bit to go. So we've just come out of Purgatory after the hour and 5 minute wait. That is the weirdest maze I've ever done. Like it has the weirdest layout ever, and it was.
I don't know how we ended up on this side, but
It was so strange. I don't really know.
I really
how
liked it. I thought it was great.
It was pretty cool. It wasn't too scary.
As long as the batching's alright, that could be really good.
Yeah.
We ran into a bit of batching issues, but fair enough, it's sold out.
I was stuck behind a good whole time. Also, you get put in a group of 2 or 3 maximum.
They batch tiny groups, and a lot of them, they just keep sending you through, and it's interesting.
I got jump scared by walking into a wall.
No, the best scare from James. James was looking around seeing somebody else. He turns around, there's a nun like that.
Right, so we just had a bit of scran, and now we are going down to Doomtown, my personal favourite maze of all time.
Whoa!
Whoa! Big Wasteland sign.
Welcome to the Showstoppers.
This is some absolute peak scare maze we're about to enter. I cannot wait. We just come out of Doomtown, easily the best maze I've ever done. Not even that close. Absolutely incredible. Like genuinely might be like a 10 out of 10. It's so fun. It's not too scary, but like absolutely amazing. James?
That is
that's
top
your
5
first time?
worthy. That is top 5 worthy in terms of mazes I've done in general. Like, yeah, that is. I think it's the second best maze I've done this year, just behind Compound. But that I think it beats every single Halloween Horror Nights maze. So I'm loving life here at Tulleys. How are you feeling?
I'm so scared.
We're about to do the carving. I'm gonna get a round table.
I'm very excited. I'm definitely really excited. I'm really excited for this maze, and I'm going to absolutely despise it going in there. I'm going to have a lovely time. I'm having a lovely time right now. Spoiler alert, I'm not. This is all sarcasm, and I am booking it.
Adam?
I don't actually even seen a bit of it.
I'm so scared.
It's come out of the carving. Oh my days.
That was
extremely scary.
That was so much, but it was really good, and I hated it.
Many chainsaws.
Best
Very
UK maze ever. It's Creek Freak Massacre, but longer. That was incredible.
We haven't even gotten into Chop Shop yet, and James was like, that's the best thing of all time.
So we got to the ending, and you're like, I'm gonna run. I'm not liking this.
No, because in the end there's 2 blokes with chainsaws, and they're going at you, right?
Yeah, and then
you're
you sprinted.
Okay, I'm gonna leg it from them.
And then the guy was like, oh yeah.
I get out of the building, right? I get out of the building, and I'm like, okay, I'm fine, I can walk now. He comes out of the building.
He chased us
gets
out.
us out of the building, and that's the most I've ever run out of a maze. I'm actually genuinely blown away.
The way they tried to like behead us with the chainsaw at the
Insane.
end, and they were like just scraping it along the sides of the container. That was insane.
I'm extremely excited for this. Hopefully it's not as scary as whatever the hell has just happened. Oh my days. Alright, we're queuing for Wasteland. This is your
So
favourite
excited.
maze.
I'm so excited.
Just come out of Wasteland. Insane. What do you think?
Those are not, like, that was not, I don't think I saw real life there. I saw, like, a music video. I saw a music video. Like, it's not real, like, stuff. Oh, you
Did you say my name? She wanted to know it, but she wanted a name. You wait right there before I scalp your life.
How does she know your name?
I think you snitched on me.
What's going on?
Why did you do that?
Oh, they're off into the maze.
Right, I'm gonna run away before they.
Oh no, I just realised what's next. I know what's next. Do you know what we're doing next?
We're doing Chop Shop, my friend.
James, what did you think of the Wastelands Penitentiary?
Top class. Like the strobe scene and like the heavy metal music made it feel like a 90s music video, like a 90s heavy metal music video. It was amazing. I loved it.
No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Singing happy birthday in the chop shop queue. What's going on?
Yep, they're dead. Oh my god.
Say hi to Bruce.
Hi, Bruce.
Yeah, you like
Oh god! I'm sorry again! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Just come out of Chop Shop, one of the most intense mates I've ever done, probably the most. This James' reaction.
Best mace ever, matey. I couldn't Tulleys make a maze that scary without splitting you up or touching you.
It's the most intense maze I think I've ever done. Wow. That's all I really have to say. Tulleys 2024, done, completed.
So good. Very fun.
Absolutely terrifying.
Too bad that's the last UK Halloween event we're doing. I got something that'll scare Ollie.